Unconfirmed reports suggest that Nikon might be developing a new surprise for photography enthusiasts, a mirrorless camera with a rangefinder design, provisionally dubbed the ZS. This sleek, full-frame device aims to blend Nikon's storied rangefinder legacy with cutting-edge mirrorless innovations. Should these whispers prove accurate, the ZS could emerge as the hidden treasure that many shutterbugs have longed for. In 2018, Nikon took a significant leap in the imaging world by launching the Z6 and Z7, its pioneering mirrorless models. This strategic shift resulted in a surge of interest in their Z series lineup. Nonetheless, Nikon has traditionally favored heftier camera bodies, mirroring their DSLR range. The speculative ZS, on the other hand, represents a potential shift, offering a more diminutive, full-frame option that eschews the traditional grip for a more refined rangefinder style, reminiscent of Nikon's revered film cameras, such as the S2. Recent leaks hint at a patent for a compact, boxy frame featuring the prominent Z-mount. Fitting the large Z-mount onto a smaller rangefinder chassis is a technical hurdle, given its size exceeds that of classic 35mm film camera mounts. There's buzz that Nikon might integrate a hybrid viewfinder, combining optical and electronic elements to maintain the authentic rangefinder feel. Such an innovative viewfinder could give the ZS an advantage over other contemporary rangefinder-inspired models, like the Fujifilm X100 series. Photography purists have been vocal about their desire for Nikon to revitalize the cherished rangefinder design while preserving its core appeal. The ZS could be the answer, striking a harmonious balance between tradition and modernity. More than just its looks, the ZS could distinguish itself within Nikon's mirrorless array. Its petite stature may make it an ideal companion for street and travel photography, catering to those who prize subtlety and simplicity. Following the ZFC's success, which highlighted a market craving for Nikon's aesthetically pleasing cameras, the ZS seems set to win over fans of vintage styling. Coupled with the versatility of a full-frame sensor and the compatibility with Z-mount lenses, the ZS might lure a specialized segment of the market that values high-end craftsmanship. Yet, Nikon must navigate the ZS's introduction carefully to prevent it from undercutting the sales of its mainstream Z5 and Z7 units. Marketing it as a luxury item tailored for still imagery could be a viable approach to differentiate it. Incorporating features like integrated ND filters and exceptional resolution could position the ZS as a go-to choice for landscape and studio work. Regarding video functionality, the ZS might borrow some high-end traits from the flagship Z9, such as 8K recording and support for sophisticated codecs like ProRes RAW. Nonetheless, it probably won't rival the Z9's performance in terms of speed and autofocus, which are optimized for capturing fast action. Pricing for the ZS remains speculative, but its upscale build and design imply it might be priced starting around $3,500, with deluxe editions potentially exceeding $4,000. While not a casual acquisition, its cost aligns with that of other specialty cameras. Ultimately, the persistent speculation about the Nikon ZS highlights the photography community's deep-seated fondness for elegantly crafted equipment. Nikon's optics have consistently garnered acclaim, though their camera bodies haven't always captured the charm and character of classic rangefinders. For some photographers, the ZS's compact elegance could signify the long-awaited revival of the rangefinder aesthetic. Whether Nikon's rumored plans for the ZS will come to fruition remains to be seen. But the idea of adopting a contemporary Nikon rangefinder like the ZS is certainly intriguing. It would depend on how well it embodies the spirit of its historical predecessors while delivering the performance expected from modern technology. So what are your thoughts? Could you envision yourself embracing a modern Nikon rangefinder like the ZS? Do let us know. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.